Hey everybody, I'm here down on the floor of my shop, and I'm putting some time on the stones, or I'm putting the stones on it. I'm having some time to sharpen it with the stones, and I'm just I'm doing one cheek at a time. So do this one, other side. Do this one, other side. Right now I'm working on the first one. And this is just a sharpening puck. This is the first step that I use to sharpen my axes because it's a little coarser and it takes away the file marks. It takes a little while, but it's better to just put in the time to make it look nice. And it's also a little more effective because it doesn't have as much friction once it's in the wood. It's dark enough outside. It's stormy enough that I can't see on the inside of the shop. I don't have any power down here, so I have to use the light from outside. And my little lantern just does not produce enough light. So it's a little bit of an awkward positioning here, but this is how I prefer to sharpen. Obviously, keeping in mind that this is a big dead tree just came down right outside my shop. I'm gonna have to get some footage of that. It's too bad I didn't catch it with my camera. That would have been cool. I've been meaning to take that tree down. I just never got around to it because it wasn't that dangerous. But anyways, I just work in circular motion, going all around the steel surface. Alright, check that. Okay, so I moved over to a different stone here. This is definitely much coarser than that puck, but it also dissolves much faster, and that's probably part of the reason why it cleans it up so nicely. So after I use this, I am now going to only use the puck and then move on into finer and finer stones. But so far, it's looking nice. It's looking good. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. That's a good one. That's a good angle. It's gonna get better. Alright, here's the tree that just fell. It fell across the driveway, unfortunately. These vines are tying it all up. There's a chunk of it. That's the bottom part. You can see how it came off the stump, and then that vine took that piece. It's pretty cool looking. As you can see, very dead. It's like nothing holding it together. So I'm gonna process this really quick. Just get it out of the way.